Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing the phone and starting a simple reset that often fixes Face ID. First, make sure your iPhone X has at least 20% battery and a stable connection so the process won't stop mid-update. Remove any screen protector or case that might obscure the true depth camera so the sensors are clear. Once done, back up your device to iCloud or a computer. This preserves settings if you need to restore. Now proceed to Settings to start the Face ID troubleshooting steps. You will now reset and re-enroll Face ID to eliminate corrupted data. Open Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, authenticate, then choose Reset Face ID. This clears the current biometric template. When you set up Face ID, stand in a well-lit area, hold the phone at arm's length, and move your head slowly to complete both scans so the sensor captures full geometry. If enrollment fails repeatedly, reset all settings from General Transfer or Reset. That clears system conflicts without erasing your data. Finish by ensuring software isn't the culprit. Update to the latest iOS in Settings General Software Update because system patches fix sensor bugs. Once updated, retry Face ID enrollment. If it still fails, restore your backup via Finder or iTunes, and if necessary use DFU mode for a deeper restore. This often resolves firmware-level sensor issues. Finally, verify the true depth camera with the front camera and FaceTime. If you still see errors, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.